Hi, my name is Deepak. Today I am going to share with you one great idea to start speaking English. Never start to speak in English with grammar. If you are trying to study first grammar and then if you think you will be able to speak in English, it will never happen. Don't judge yourself during speaking in English because we are not English speakers and we are not born in the field of English. So it is our processing to progress towards this fluency. And I must say here that nothing can one person speak fluently when they started to speak in English. So day by day, your English will be great and very beautiful. So my point is here, don't start your speaking English with grammar. Grammar is a different part. If you start English and now your confidence is also build up, and then you can go to the grammar and how to, then you can learn grammar how to improve your communication. For your improvement, that is also great. But just little vocabulary can help you very lot. So don't judge yourself with speaking and just speak whatever in your mind and it will great because other person understand doesn't understand, it's not your query or worry, it's their understanding patterns. So point is here that make sure to start whatever in your mind. New vocabulary always come and be in the pressure because without pressure we cannot grow. It's a universal truth, without pressure we cannot grow. So whenever I put on my mobile front of me and try to speak in English, just vocabulary come in into my mind. But when I trying to just speak when I alone, that time vocabulary not come into my mind. So be in the pressure. You can find a partner and you can make videos, you can make audios. That is also great. How to get vocabulary and how to use that vocabulary in our daily communications. That is also great one. So English success you can achieve in 2 months. If you are ready to do hard work for your English, you can improve your English only 2 months. You can, and most important thing is here 4 points of learning English, learning any language. First, listen, then speak, then read, and then write. What did I say? Listen, speak, read, and write. First is here listen. If you are listening more, you will be able to speaking more. That's why I have to say here listen more. Don't miss opportunity to listen. Listen YouTube on TED Talks videos. These are in English language, that will help you a lot. Then speak as we learn our mother tongue as listening. So listen more and then speak more, and then you can turn on reading, then read more, and then write. So here it's a very great formula here. If you listen more, you will speak more. If you read more, you will write more. How great it is. So it is applied. It's not just true, but applying these qualities, these methods, these techniques to learning process, improving your English, it will help you a lot. So good night, take care. I am here in the room in Pune. I am alone. My roommate was had gone to that village, and I am here alone. And it is only to have to speak with you, because none can here to speak with that person. So take care till then. Bye bye. See you in next video. Don't forget to smile.